Now, it can be a really good idea to get acquainted with some of the keyboard shortcuts early in your journey with a particular program, and that's certainly the case here with Microsoft Project. There are dozens of keyboard shortcuts that you can access through some of the help menus or support at Microsoft, but 4 of the ones that I find quite useful are F2, Insert, the Delete button, and Ctrl F2. So just starting with F2, if you were to try and change or make an adjustment to a task, and you select the task here and you simply go and manually make that change like so, you can see it changes the whole task name for you, and you may not want that. So this is the beauty of using the F2 key. Now instead of having to jump in, double clicking, waiting, there's task information, and having to make the adjustment here, you can simply click F2 and then you can go in and make the change if you like. So that's F2. The Insert button is available in some models of Microsoft Project. In fact, if you jump onto Microsoft, it alludes to the fact that it's only available with Project Online. For me, I've been able to use the Insert button in previous models, so it may well be available in the version that you have. And the beauty of Insert is if you want to add a new task in between certain tasks, you simply click on the task in which you'd like to insert the task above that task by clicking the Insert key, and it'll install a whole new line for you there. So it's quite useful when you're wanting to get about and make edits to already existing project schedules there. The other useful button is the Delete button. Now you can use the Delete button to simply remove content within a cell. You can do that like so by clicking Delete. Or you can, if you want to remove a whole line, including all of its characteristics, duration, start, finish, and time, and so forth, you can remove that line by highlighting, by clicking on the entire line there, and then click Delete. This is quite useful, and it actually differs from Microsoft Excel. What a useful little tool that you can add repertoire there. So we're going to remove this and remove that using the Delete key. You can see that it saves a little bit of time as well. Now the other keyboard shortcut which I find useful is a shortcut for linking tasks. So you can see here in between create invitations and forming a planning committee for this street party scenario project, we want to link those together. So you click on that task and press Control, highlight both of those tasks there, and then click Ctrl F2 and your tasks are linked up. So it saves you having to go through to the ribbon or other means in order to link those tasks. So some very useful tasks and shortcuts there. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and please let me know if you have subscribed. I'd love to keep the conversation going.